Welcome back to the Accelevents Fund a Need overview series. In this segment, we'll show you how to add the different pledge levels or cause items for your Fund a Need. To do so, we'll click on the Fund a Need section of our menu and then on the Add Items option. For a Fund a Need, you may have different pledge levels towards which your guests can submit pledges to. These donations will be based on a minimum pledge amount that you'll set for each item, and they will tell your donors what their funds are going towards. So to add your Fund a Need items, you can either import them in bulk, or you can add a pledge level one at a time. For now, I'll show you that process. We'll click the Add Item button, and now you'll be prompted to add your item name. We'll call this one Zach's Need Item. You'll also put in a 3-letter code. This is the code that your donors will text when they're submitting their pledge. Next, we'll add in the minimum pledge amount. In this case, I'll make that minimum amount $100. What you can also do here is set the number of pledges that will be accepted for each pledge level. You can leave this as unlimited, or you can set this to a limit, meaning only up to 5, 10, 20 people can submit a pledge at this level. Finally, you can add a description for your Fund a Need item, and then add any images that show your cause or add a little bit of color to that item. You'll click within this gray box and you'll be able to pull in a logo. When you're done adding all this information, you can then reorder your images, or you can simply right-click to move that to the top or bottom.